Fix. This is for the month of August in the year of 2022. So I'll be honest, I don't think I had anything special going on with this theme. It's been a minute. But one of the cool things was, if you watched my last Stitch Fix video, it was the style haul. What am I trying to say? It was the haul from their 70% off sale. And they were like, dude, if you just want a way to return the stuff you're not keeping and like return it with the stuff you're not going to keep from this box, that's fine, which is super cool. So anyways, we'll move on and take a look at what we got. I probably don't need to tell you what Stitch Fix is at this moment, but if you aren't aware, then Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service where you get paired up with a stylist who, with the help of an algorithm, sends you 5 items to try on every month. If you don't like it, you send it back. Simple as pie, free shipping. If you do like it, then you get to keep it, and you just pay for, you know, the retail value of that thing. So let's go ahead and see what this card looks like. I do think I might have chosen all 5 items out of this fix. I don't actually quite remember. I might have. This looks familiar. It was a while since I got my fix preview and chose my items. But let's go ahead and see what my stylist has to say. So it says, "Hello, Amanda. It was so much fun styling you again. How's your summer going? I hope it is going well. Thank you for all the feedback you have been giving me. This helps me know more about you and your style. I am so happy you were able to pick all 5 pieces from your fix preview." Okay, that's what I thought. The pink Yara Smock Sweetheart dress by Market & Spruce is a lovely summer dress to pair with strappy sandal wedges and a smile. Sorry, they're just really cheesy. Short on time, slip on the Lantana knit jumpsuit by Kaylee. Jumpsuits are not only comfy, they're a total time saver. It's a playful alternative to dresses, and they're appropriate day or night. As I'm learning your preferences, I'd love to hear feedback on the fit and style of each piece. I hope you enjoy them, but if not, let me know and we will fine tune it together. Any requests? Peace and love, Alicia. Alicia doesn't sound familiar, I'll be honest. Doesn't mean anything. She might be familiar. She just doesn't sound familiar. So let's go ahead and look at this bundle. We see at least one floral print, which is very on brand for me. So let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open and see what this looks like. So here is the first floral print item. This is the Sweetheart dress that I just could not say no to. It's just too cute. So there is some ruching here right at the center. And in fact, the entire bodice is that kind of stretchy, you know what I mean? The straps are interesting because they do have adjustable kind of metal, I'm gonna call them a bracket, even though I don't think that was called. This piece is really interesting to me. This might be a little too short, but we'll have to try it on and see. And I think it has pockets. It has pockets. So, I mean, I think you understand why I couldn't say no to this when it showed up in my preview. I was like, that is just too cute for words, even though I've said many words about them now. Moving on, I think this is the jumpsuit that I was just too intrigued by. I have a weakness for jumpsuits. I don't know why. So anyways, it has a fun striped top. It does go a little bit low. I don't think I'll be bearing anything. It's just a simple kind of tank style top, and then black pants. I do believe, yes, it has pockets, and I can't tell whether or not, just looking at it now, whether or not the legs are going to be full length or if they're supposed to be cropped or not, but it's fun looking, right? You gotta agree with me. Moving on, we have a top, which just, it was light, it was flowy. It has those sleeves that I like to play with where you can do them like up high or you can do them to the side. But yeah, it's just cute. And then the back is also really fun. I know it's really hard to tell on camera, but it's just like, it's flappy. So it looks like it might be a semi-open back, but it's definitely more, I think, of a crop style. So we'll have to give that a good try on. Moving on, we have another floral piece, and I think this is another dress. So let's see. So these have more, oh, okay, but look at that neckline. Isn't that just the sweetest little neckline you've ever seen? And then look at those sleeves, they're very cute. It's a nice cotton dress. I love a good cotton. And yeah, nothing to write home about, no pockies. It's cute. It's more, I feel like, almost fall adjacent, which we're like so close to. and by so close to, I think it's just the heat getting to me. It was only 78 when I took the dog out this morning for her walk, so, and I was cold. Like I was like, oh, it's chilly, which tells you how hot it's been this summer. And then moving on, I was just very intrigued by these shorts. I don't have anything like this in my collection. It's definitely, I think the camera is actually representing the color well, except maybe the camera's making it look ever just so slightly more orange. I don't know. It was something I was like, I'm gonna have to give these a try. I don't know. I was just intrigued. So with that being said, let's go try these items on. Okay, so here is the jumpsuit. So I'm really digging the top. The top overall, I feel like makes this a little classy. So I did end up pairing these with a pair of kind of, I don't even know what these are called, cutout heels. I think that's what they're called. Anyways, I do like it. I feel like this is maybe more flattering than the average jumpsuit that they've been sending me, or maybe I'm just not bloated at the moment, both of which are very real possibilities. This jumpsuit is giving me vibes that I could wear on formal night on the next cruise, which, like, possible spoiler alert, that might be in December. I don't know yet. We're still figuring it out. Because it's like, it's kind of casual dressy, and I feel like that's the vibe on most cruise ship formal nights. And like, you can go more formal if you want, but if you just want like a laid back formal, I feel like this is it. This also feels like I'm wearing a giant pair of sweatpants, which is also great. Mike has some concerns. It's a little maybe too tight in the booty area, which is a very normal problem for me because I got that donk. I got the boom boom pow, as I think Fergie would say. So either way, this is a very real possibility depending upon price. And yeah, I guess maybe state of mind whenever I get done trying everything on. But yeah, it's very cute. I like it. I think it's very flattering. I think this has a lot of options. Let me know what you think. Okay, so here is the navy floral print dress. It is a little bit on the short side, but it's not obscene in my opinion. I did end up wearing the same pair of wedges I got from Stitch Fix forever ago with this. So I love how the fit and flare of it all, very flattering. The neckline is very cute as well. I feel like this is a good summer dress or a fall dress, depending on what's going on. Even a spring dress, maybe a winter dress with a nice pair of leggings and a cardigan. It's just a year-round dress. / maybe it is here in Texas, maybe not in Michigan. But either way, I do really like this dress. Ugh. Yeah, this might be a keeper. It's just very, very cute. Like I don't know if I have any faults with this. It's just very cute. Okay, and then here is the last summer dress in all of its glory, and this one does have pockets. I'll give it a minute for the lighting to stop being stupid. There we go. So as I showed during the unboxing portion, this entire part from here up is the stretchy part. So I'm wearing one of those, what is the word I'm looking for? Adhesive bras right now, and if like that doesn't sit right, then this area just doesn't look right. So I did have to like adjust that until this top area looked right. It is very cute. My only complaint is that it's a little too similar to that kind of white plaid dress I got during the sale during the last unboxing that I did. So I feel like this is almost redundant, but it is very cute. It is a very just sweet floral dress and I like it. I think it's gonna just be very dependent on the price point as to whether or not I keep this one. Okay, so here are the shorts. I struggled finding something that would fit well with this or work well with these pants because this just isn't my normal go-to at all. So I ended up just opting for this top that normally has kind of the frilly or wavy bottom to it, but this tucked in well to these shorts. I think this is a fun, maybe beach outfit or I don't know, girls' night out possible outfit, but the shorts, they fit better than I thought they would, but I do have a couple of kind of like nitpicky issues with them. I don't like how I can see the outline of the pockets through the pant. That's just a real big beef of mine. And then like, we have these fake pockets back here, but there's still an outline. I promise it's not a panty line. That's just like fake pocket outline. That's some real nonsense right there. It's some Bob's shorts, if you will, if you catch my drift. However, I think if I were less curvaceous, this wouldn't be quite so visible. If I did maybe possibly size up on these, it might be a different kind of deal. But either way, it was kind of fun to try these, to get out of my comfort zone. That's kind of the nice thing about Stitch Fix, is being able to get out of your comfort zone and try new styles that you probably would have never given a chance. So anyways, that being said, let's go take a look at that invoice. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the invoice and see what kind of damage I can do today. So the kind of navy blue floral print dress that I tried on, that was $42. The pink floral print sweetheart summer dress, strappy summer dress, that was $68. I'm sorry, I messed something up here. The shirt, the blue floral print shirt I tried on was $42. The navy print dress that I tried on was $54. There we go. The jumpsuit was $58 and the shorts are $54. So the subtotal for that would be $276. But if I do keep all 5 items, I do get a 25% discount. So then the keep all 5 total would then be $207. I don't currently have any credit. However, if you're interested in trying out Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral code down in the description box below, as well as the website for my Poshmark shop in the description box down below. I do have some Stitch Fix, I call them rejects, or just like not feeling them anymore. As far as what I'm keeping for this box, I don't know, because these are kind of pricey, especially after the deals I was able to score during the sale that they had. I will say strong contenders are the navy blue dress and the blue floral print top. The shorts, I feel pretty strongly are going back. The jumpsuit, I'm like 60-40 leaning towards sending back. And then the other summer dress, I think I'll send back as well. So I don't think this will be a 5 for 5, even though it had the real potential to be. Anyways, if you enjoyed my video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, stay cool out there, my friends. It's been a heck of a summer.